I'm Michael Müller, Applied Catalyst Technology Engineer responsible for emission control catalysts at Clariant. At Clariant we are convinced that specialty chemistry can move to the forefront of reaching a net zero greenhouse gas economy. Our emission control catalysts remove harmful gases emitted by industrial plants and help many industries comply to ever stricter clean air regulations. Our EnviCat N2O catalyst series, for instance, is capable of removing nearly all traces of dangerous, long-living greenhouse gas, nitrous oxide or N2O from nitric acid plants. Nitric acid is key to producing fertilizer and processing metals. Our EnviCat N2O catalysts have over 2 decades of proven experience in eliminating N2O emissions from the tail gas of nitric acid plants with over 50 successful installations. The tertiary abatement catalyst is capable of removing more than 99% of N2O, while the secondary N2O abatement catalyst is an easy-to-install drop-in solution, removing up to 95% of N2O without disrupting the manufacturing process. Allow me to illustrate this. EnviCat N2O-S was loaded in a nitric acid plant in Europe with a production yield of 270 tons of nitric acid per day. We measured our EnviCat N2O-S performance after 3 years on stream. As a result, EnviCat N2O-S improved the efficiency of the ammonia oxidation process, reduced ammonia consumption per ton of produced nitric acid, and exhibited an efficiency rate of 95.7 N2O removal. All in all, this nitric acid producer reduced emissions by about 14,200 tons of CO2 equivalent per year, resulting in more than 1 million euros earnings per year. At Clariant, we are committed to help you reduce your plant's environmental impact, comply with clean air regulations, and at the same time improve your plant's overall operation efficiency with our wide range of emission control solutions.